Hi, fifth graders. We are going to practice multiplying one-digit numbers, okay? That's pretty easy. And then adding decimals if we need to, okay? So let's take a look. Okay. So, we know when we multiply times one-digit numbers, we first multiply the ones place. So 8 times 3 is 24. Ones down, carry my tens. Now we multiply times the tens place. 3 times 0. Yes, 0. Add your 2. Okay, and then we multiply times the hundreds place. 5 times 3. 15. Good. Okay, we don't have any decimals in this number, so we don't need to put any in our answer. Okay, think about decimals right now. So now I have a decimal in my number. Okay, but I'm just going to forget about it for the time being, because the first thing I need to do is multiply. And you go 8 times 6, 48. Okay, 8 times 4, because we multiply the tens place next. 32. 4 more. 36. Carry my 3. And then we multiply the last place. 8 times 0. 0 plus 3. Good. Now there's two ways that you can do this, and you've probably been taught these two ways. We had money. So we can go down here and we can make this look like money, okay, by having two numbers after the decimal, okay. The other way we can do it is we can go into our numbers and we can count how many decimal places there are in each of these numbers. So I count 1, 2, and this one doesn't have any, so I'm going to count 2 decimal places from the right. 1, 2. My decimal goes in there. I'm not going to forget my dollar sign. Okay? All right, let's try another one. Okay, this is like my last one. Okay, what am I multiplying first, guys? You got it. 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, now what? Yes, 3 times 6, 18. Add 4 more. 22. 6 times 1 plus 2, 8. Now where does my decimal go? Okay, I'm going to start by counting because I know you guys are good at making it money. Let's count. Do I have any decimal places down here? Here. Yes, I do. 1, 2. So I start at the right. 1, 2. That make it look like money, doesn't it? Okay. All right, I'm going to add a decimal into this number. Okay, and I'm going to multiply. Remember, we're not going to worry about that decimal till later. Okay. Actually, I'm going to add 2 decimals into this number. I'm going to add one here too. All right, we'll talk about decimals at the end. Remember, we can always multiply first. 5 times 4. You got it, 20. 5 times 1 plus 2. 5 times 3. Very good, guys. 15. All right, now, remember I said I can count all my decimal places. I don't have money up here, so I can't make this look like money. Okay, so I'm going to count all my decimal places. And remember, I said we'd count all of them that are up here. So that means in this number and this number. So let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 decimal places, 4 numbers after decimals. And we count 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's where my decimal goes. All right, guys. Great job multiplying times one-digit number. Pretty easy. Tens place, or ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Add your decimals in. Count all the numbers that were in the original problem that are behind a decimal. Start on the right in your answer and count that same amount of spaces to where you put your decimal. See you tomorrow, guys.